All right, our team coverage continues this afternoon with Spencer Tracy. She's live in one of the neighborhoods that was especially hard hit.
Yeah, I am. So I'm here at Blue Iris Place, really showing you the damage close up. This is the house that was completely collapsed. I mean, like you guys said, this is just absolutely devastating to see people's yards, front yards, everything completely out of their homes. I mean, we're going to walk around a little bit. The big thing that officials told me was that most of the house completely collapsed. There was one room where that couple actually was, and that was like their safe point, and that's why they were able to get out, and they stayed in that spot and they were able to get out safely. Let me just show you. Let's walk around a little bit. I mean, there's newspapers, there's a laundry basket, there's drywall, there's pots, there's just windows broken. I mean, look at that roof over there. I mean, this is just absolutely, neighbors that we talked to just say that it happened so fast, and this is something that you can never prepare for. I mean, just really, we've seen people kind of helping people pick up things, and it's just really something to look at. Check out over there. That looks like pieces of a door over there, maybe some shelving. We have some drywall. I mean, even over here we have trash cans, newspapers. I think this looks like a book. I mean, this is just this is from January 1979. I mean, these are people's belongings that we're just seeing scattered all over. You just can't imagine. Your heart goes out to all of these families that are dealing with this incredible loss, and now they have to pick up the pieces. We've seen, luckily, no injuries. It's absolutely incredible that everyone got out safe, but just the really big thing is the cleanup process. A lot of neighbors say they're going to be out here. We've seen roofing companies scattered throughout the neighborhood trying to make sure that they can do whatever they can. I know people have also been getting tarps. Seminole County is also offering tarps, but just kind of give you kind of a panorama view. I mean, all the way from over there, we see a resident out there. It's just absolutely devastating. I'll toss it back to you guys. We'll stay out here, kind of give you the latest, but this is what we're seeing, a close-up view. Just one more time, this was the house that collapsed that couple was in. They safely got out, but you can actually see a couch on the top there. It looks like even a bed frame, just absolutely terrifying. All right, I'll toss it back to you guys, covering Seminole County in Lake Mary. Spencer Tracy, WESH 2 News.